Now, KLBK's first warning weather with meteorologist Jack Maney.
The blood moon made a visit to our skies last night. Lunar eclipse that gave us a very beautiful view of that red coloration on the moon. That actually happens because the wavelength of red light is actually long enough that it allows that to kind of bend around into Earth's shadow and light that moon up with a low glow of red whenever the moon is fully in Earth's shadow. Just a beautiful phenomenon. Love to see pictures like this coming from KLBK's own photographer Jason Davis. Just a gorgeous shot of that lunar eclipse from last night. Unfortunately, though, that red moon will not be giving us any cooler temperatures for today, as it looks like we're going to have yet another very hot and even a little bit muggy afternoon with dew points right now at 61 degrees and temperatures at 67. We're bringing in a lot more moisture, and you can really see that with the cloud cover coming into our skies right now. The sun is getting ready to come over the horizon. Can't really see much evidence of that because of the low cloud cover in place. Even a little bit cooler out towards the north and west. I think there's a little bit more of a break in the clouds. It's allowed a little bit more energy to radiate back out into space overnight. 56 up in Clovis, 57 in Friona, but you get warmer temperatures as you go south and east with mid to upper 60s for the rest of us. So jackets probably not going to be needed as you head out the door this morning. Moist air is taking over for pretty much the entire area of the South Plains. The dry line off your screen well out to the west and eastern New Mexico. Now that is going to be playing a role in getting those showers and storms going later on today. We'll see storms firing up later on this afternoon, generally after about 4 to 5 p.m. 94 degrees for our high today. It's still going to be a little bit cooler than it was yesterday, but we're going to make up for that in the fact that it will be a little bit more humid outside, so somewhat less pleasant than it has been the last several days. No more dry heat. It will feel a little bit more like East Texas than West Texas out there today. Seeing high temperatures a little bit cooler out to the north and west. I think we'll have more persistent cloud cover over these areas today. More sunshine down to the south and to the east. Could even see some spots getting up close to that triple-digit mark yet again, but I think most of us will stay in the middle to upper 90s this afternoon for our high temperatures. Now, the cloud cover is going to be pretty persistent throughout the day. We'll see some breaks here in Lubbock down to the south and east, but storms are going to start to develop out there in the mountains of eastern New Mexico after peak heating 3 to 4 p.m., and they'll march off towards the east pretty quickly. By about 6, 7 o'clock, they'll be making their way over the Texas-New Mexico line, and these will be potentially severe storms moving into the east. Pretty good wave of rain captured on this model. Now, we're still not entirely sure about storm coverage just yet, but it looks like generally the better coverage on storms will be off towards the north with 40 to 50% chances of rain generally for any one location up towards the north in our northern row. You go further south, that rain chance generally decreases, 30% here in Lubbock and down to a 20 to maybe even a 10% chance down south. Unfortunately, you guys probably going to be sitting this one out. But those storms, they could definitely be severe with large hail damaging winds. The main threat out of those gusty outflow winds seem to be the biggest problem with the storms later on today. Now, high pressure will be in control for the rest of this week. That's going to give us hot days until Friday, but see that surge of cooler air coming in as a trough dives into the northern plains towards the end of the week and into the weekend. That will bring us some much better cool temperatures by Friday as a strong cold front arrives. Triple digits until then, but then this weekend looking a whole lot better with highs in the upper 70s and lower 80s.